Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to work with Flux Pro theme. I think in our previous video, we did install Flux Pro. Now we're going to take a look at the different templates that are available on Flux Pro. So without wasting time, I'm just going to open the browser. And of course, this is the dashboard of our WordPress. So at the left hand side here, you're going to see we have Flux Pro. Then we need to go to demo importer. So these are the templates that are available in this Flux Pro theme. You can see we have over 280 templates that are available on this one theme. Okay, so with this single theme, you'll be able to have a lot of templates that you can easily customize and get your project delivered to your clients. Okay, so any kind of website you want to build, the template is readily available for you to use here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get this theme by the grace of God when we're done with the tutorial, with the training. So all you need to do is to preview. You can preview any of the templates that are here by just right clicking on preview, and we'll open it in a new tab. So if it means this is the templates if you want to build a business website or a consulting a website that has to do with consulting. You can use these templates to get your job delivered to your client. And see, let's go, sorry. So let's preview this another nice template that you can pick from. So you can see this template comes with a very awesome navigation bar. There is no need to create any menu. You can see everything is readily available. All you need to do is to customize, to change the logo, change the colors, put in the right phone numbers, of your clients, change the pictures, and within how many minutes, highest 30 minutes, your website will be set. So this is how easy it is to get your job, done. So I think let's take a look at this. Let's preview this. This is a corporate website. In fact, if you're trying to set up an IT company or a IT firm, you can actually use this template to build your own tech website. So you can see this is latest work, pricing. This is where you can set your prices. Then at the bottom we have blogs. Let's scroll down. You can see these are awesome, navigation menus. You can check out the services that are available here. So after navigation through all the templates, if you've seen a template that you want to use, all you need to do is to click on import so that you import the complete website. I'm going to click on continue. Just so every template that you see needs plugin. So as you can see, these are the plugin that comes with this particular template. So I'm going to click on install. So the system is going to install all the plugin and also activate them, one after the other, as you can see on the screen. So it's going to install it and also activate. Done installing, and boom. All we need to do is to click on skip. All right, so we need to import the complete content of this website. All right, so the system is going to download all the media files, the pictures, the files that are needed for this website to come up live. That is what it's going to download. So let's wait for it to finish. As you can see, it's still on 9/58. It means there are 58 items to be downloaded. So let's wait for it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get this Flux Pro theme. If you want, in case you want to buy this theme, it's readily available on, let's see, Team Forest. If you go to teamforest.net, this is where you can purchase any theme you're looking for. All right, so you can see there are a lot of themes here. But then let's search for this particular theme that we're working with, which is Flux Pro. If I click on search, this is the particular theme we're working on. We're working with, that is this theme we're using here. This is it here on Team Forest. So if I click on it, You can see the price is $39. Of course, we're not going to pay $39 to get this. I'm going to show you how to get this particular theme, at a very affordable, price. So let's see, it's on 41/58. Let's wait for it to download. So with a premium theme like Flux Pro, you can design any kind of website at all. All right, that's be it corporate websites, e-commerce websites, school websites, news websites, any kind of websites that your clients, give to you. You will be able to get your job delivered in a fast and um, stunning. You're going to in a fast way actually. So it's importing the content is done downloading. Now it just needs to import the content to our WordPress. So let's wait for it to complete. Wow, I think that is all. As you can see, it's done. It says congratulations, demo has been successfully imported. So all we need to do is to click on close. Now, let's visit our site to see um, what we now have. Okay, so I'm going to I'll come to this title bar here. I'll click on visit site. I'm going to right click and open it in a new tab. So we'll now wait for the website to load. Let's wait for it to load. Apex fabrics. .com. Yes, as you can see, it has opened. I just searched it in a different browser. So yes, it has also opened here. So this is the website that we just imported. Wow, this is amazing. So all that is left is just for you to start editing, and boom, you're good to go. So you've already installed what's it called? We've already installed Elementor because it came with the theme. So I think, how do you start editing this template? It's very simple. What you need to do is, of course, this is the home page. All I need to do is to click on Elementor, edit with Elementor. This is where you can edit the header and footer. You can see we have parent footer, we have site header, we have site footer. Okay, so for example, let's say I want to change this logo. I can easily go to customize to change the logo of this website. I can go to customize. Let's go to customize. We're going to customize the complete website from here. So while that is opening, I'm going to open another section here. I'll open it in a different page here and in a different tab. So I'm going to edit this home page. So this is the page that we are, and this is the page that we want to edit. So I'll just come here and click on edit with Elementor. All right, while this one is loading, I think it's done loading. So what I want to work on here is, let's take a look at the general. My network is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking time. Let's change the logo first. So Under site identity, you're going to see we have site identity here. I'll click on it. So this is where this is the current logo. Now I can remove this logo or change the logo. So let me change this. I'm going to change this logo. To do that, we need to work. We need to go to. We need to choose file. So I'm going to pick a logo here. I don't think I have any logo. This is. Let me pick. Let's go to TerraTech and see if there's a logo. There's no logo here. Inside resources. Okay, I don't have any logo here. So let me just use this FMK clothing logo that we have here. So if I import this logo, I'm going to add it up. I'll click on select and we'll click by the right hand side at the bottom right. We have skip cropping. So I'm going to skip it. Of course, you can see the logo has been replaced with the new logo. So we have logo 2. This is optional, but I think I love adding it. So I'll just select it and I'll put the same logo. Then we'll scroll down. We're going to see we have site icon. Site icon is the icon that will appear at the top that is on your browser. Okay, so I'm going to select it. I'll just put the same logo there. You can see these are all the media files that are available on this template. So I'll just click on set and I'll click on skip cropping. Okay, so all I need to do now is just to click on publish. And as you can see, it will be replaced. So now let's go back. Let's go back to Chrome. Let me refresh this. Let's refresh this. F5. Okay, you can see it has been replaced. The site icon has been changed to the current logo that we uploaded. Now let's go back to where we are. So this is set. And let me open the page in a different tab here. Okay, so now we need to change this logo, right? If I scroll down, do we have any logo at the bottom? Yes, we have a logo at the bottom. So how do we change that logo that we have there? Now, what we need to do is very simple. So logo marks, of course, same height, same weight. This is okay. Um, so let's go back. Let's go to header. Let's go to header settings. No, not here. Let's go to, we've done site identity. Let's say appearance. Under this appearance, this is where you can get access to your global colors. You can change the colors that are available here. For example, let's say the default color on this website is this blue. We can see we have blue and this something like red here. So if you want to change this color, if you want to customize the color, you can actually do it at this place that says elemental global color. For example, if I change this, let me change this blue. Let me copy this first, then I'll change it to something else because I just want to show you how it works. So if I scroll down and put something like, let's say something like this, and I click on publish, we'll come back here to refresh our page. You notice that this page is going to change. Can you see? There's a color that's changed here. This color has changed. So anywhere that that primary color is there is going to change. So let's go back. I'm going to take it back to its normal color. So I think this is it. I'll paste in the color back and I'll hit apply. Okay. So I think that is set. Now let's go back to, let's check out the header templates. These are the different, if you want to change your header style, maybe you don't like the current design of your header. Okay, you don't like the design of this header, you want to change, you can easily do that here by selecting the type of header that you want. Okay, so let's go back, site settings. Okay, we've taken a look at site identity. We've added all this. Let's go back. So we'll close this. All right, so now let's go to header. It says edit header. All right, so this is the site header. I'm going to edit this. So it's very easy to edit with Elementor. All you need to do is yeah, continue with edit with Elementor to edit the header. So this is just how you'll be playing around with this template, and as you can see, the logo is here, and boom, you're good to go. You can change this color. This is the current header. You can change, these colors. You can decide to change the, what's it called, the button. While you go to style, you can see this is the current color. You can decide to change its color from here. Let's say you put green, you notice that it has changed to green. But I think the color that was there is cool. You've changed something like this, so you can just click on publish. When you click on publish, you save, then you just refresh. Okay, so let's go to header light current header. That's the current header that we are. If we want to edit this now, I'll just click on edit. Then we'll see how to customize that particular homepage header. Okay, so let's see, there is a logo here, and this is the logo that we need to change. Let me show you. This logo that is here is currently under, this is the header we're trying to edit. Header that has light current header. It's telling us that this is the current header that I want to edit, and of course that is what we want to achieve. So let's go back. Where is it? Yes, so this is, you can see it's hidden. So but I already know where it is. So this is a column here. So I'll just delete this and put in the right logo that I want to. You just add your logo here. I will click on select. Okay, so we just click on publish. Once we click on publish, we need to come and refresh our page here. You notice that this logo will disappear and the new logo will come in. As simple as this. This is how easy it is to add your logo. All right, so you can go ahead and remove the background of your logo for it to, remove this white area, in the logo. All right, so that is that. Now let's close this. Now we are trying to edit. Now let's edit the content. Like let's edit this business planning, digital technology, whatever. All right. Well, I'll show you how to edit this and also how to work with images. So we are working with Elementor. Now all I need to do is to click on this pencil icon here, which is edit, right? So um we have we have secondary heading here that says business planning. All right, so here I'll just put in something like welcome to, let's see, Terra, or let's see, welcome to Terra Tech, welcome to Terra Tech, or we can just remove this. I'll put it something like welcome to Terra Tech Solutions. So here you're just going to put in your business name. Then at the bottom here, you can see welcome to Terra Tech Solution. Then at the bottom you have description. Okay, so you can change this and type in what you want to type. Something like, let me put something like your your description. In fact, you can use GPT to generate this. You can just go to GPT, chat GPT, and tell it you can just say generate and about us content for, you put the name of your company, Terra, let's say Terra Tech Solutions, right? Terra Tech Solution. TerraTech solution. Then you hit enter, you're going to get content here. So about TerraTech solution, this, that. So just copy this. Of course, just copy this content, copy. Then you come to where it says description, you just paste it here. So as you can see, this is how easy it is to, you know, work with this. So if it is an image, for example, you want to change this image, all you need to do is to click on the image, and by the left hand side here, you're going to see image. Just click on it, then you select the image that you want to use here. For example, let's say I want to use this system. I can just select it and click on choose. And of course, that image will be replaced with the current image, right? So as simple as that, that is how to play around. If it is here, just click on the section you want to edit. You can put in something like our, our main services, okay? Then here you put in the text. Here also just click on the pencil icon. This text that is here, you just need to change it to what you want. Like let's say we have data analytics here. You just remove the title and put something like web design, web design. Then you put a brief description of that service. You have SEO optimization, security data, branding strategy. You can put in something like let's say mobile mobile app dev or mobile app development, develop development, something like that. So this is how easy it is. You can go around, you know, working on all these how to customize these templates. So when you're done, all you need to do is to click on publish. Okay, take a look at the tablet view. This is the tablet view. This is how it's going to look like on the tablet. All right, so you need to ensure that this is okay on both desktop, tablet, and Android. So you can see this is the Android view. So here also you need to work on it. You can see this logo is still showing. What we need to do is on the header, this is the header editing. So we're still trying to edit the header. We've edited the header for the desktop view. Now let's switch from desktop to tablet. So of course the tablet is also okay. Now let's go to mobile. Mobile also is okay. I think everything is good to go. So we're good to go on this um, part. So now let's we can close this. So the next thing we're going to edit is the footer. All right, so let's see how we can add our information at the footer here. This is the footer section. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so in this edit header and footer, I'm going to click on, I'm going to select the last one that says site footer. So it's going to give you access to footer for you to edit with Elementor. Like I told you, Elementor is like your pen and pencil that you can use to customize a WordPress website. So you can see this is the footer section. So the first thing on this footer is we're going to change the logo. So I'll click on this logo pencil icon on the logo side. We'll just select the logo that I want to add. We'll click on add. It's going to replace the logo with the current. Then here we need to add our text. So at this, I'm just going to copy this. You need to ensure you read and also customize it before adding up on your website. So this is the text. I'll just replace it with what I've copied. All right. So also this is the copyright detail. So here I need to just put in something like copyright, then I give space. Then you can see you can add up your social media links for this. Okay, I think we have copyright 2025 Flux Pro, right? We need to change this from Flux Pro to yes, let's change this to, we're going to change it to our the name of our platform, which is let's say Terra. I'm already using TerraTech, so we'll just give it TerraTech Solutions. But here you're going to put in your business name, right? So copyright 2025, TerraTech Solutions, all rights reserved. All right, I think this is cool. So what we'll be doing is Tech Solutions. I'll give space and I'll add this a pipe symbol there. So we offer awesome services. Yes, you can decide to remove this and put, let's say, Google Map. All right, let's use the opportunity to learn how to add Google Map. So here you need to just click here and add in the address. Go to description, sorry, go to secondary heading, then you put in the address. So let's say the address is let's say number 20D, 20D together, 20D, let's say Kabuga. Then we have Kano, Kano State, Nigeria, right? So let's say this is the address. So I'm going to copy this address because I will use it. So here you need to put in the phone number under secondary heading. So you can add your phone number here, 234. Then you put in the remaining digits. That is how to add phone number and your email. Of course, secondary, you put in your email info at your domain. So let's say Terra Tech teratech.com, or you can add up your normal email, that you want to add up. Okay, so this is how easy it is to customize. Now to add your social link, just click on this pencil icon. You can see the first one is Instagram. Then you can change the logo on the icon if you want. Then at the bottom here you can see it says type in the URL. So this is where you're going to put in the link to your Instagram account. When you're done, just click on it again, then you go to LinkedIn. If you want to change from LinkedIn to something else, let's say you want to change LinkedIn to Facebook, all you need to do is to click here and you come to the icons here and search for YouTube. Then of course you click on the icon, you click on insert, and that icon will be replaced with the one you want. So that is just how to get it done. Now let's assume we want to, yes, we want to add up, let's say I want to delete this. I want to also delete this. Okay, so I want to delete this column. So what I want to add here is, let me first of all see this column. Yes, what's the direction of this column? It is on full width. The direction is here. Let's use this. So I want to add Google Map here, so that I want every pages on my website should have a live Google Map. All right, so what I'll do is I'll just click on this plus icon, then I'll come here and type map. So you can see Google Map, then I'll just click and drop it here. Then where it says Google Map location, I will just right click and put in the address of my office. All right. So you notice that the Google Map, has come up. So this is the live Google Map. You can click to zoom the location. You can zoom in, zoom out. All right. So all I need to do is to click on save or publish. Then if I go back to the platform and refresh now, you notice that we have changes. So this is what we now have. Okay, so I think we need to change this from welcome to, then at the bottom, Tera Tech and Solutions to be Tech Solutions to be together. Okay, so this is what we now have. We changed the picture, as you can see, web design, mobile app. These are what we changed, right? So let's scroll down to our footer. You're going to see we have the logo, we have the text that we added, these are links, these are resources. Now this is the contact address is here, the info is also here. So this is how easy it is to customize your website. This is a premium theme, one of the best so far. So here the same process, all you need to do is you can change this image. Let's get it done. I'm going to edit with Elementor. It's very easy. Elementor is the tool that you need to, use to customize this template. So it's loading. This is how you go to each page to edit. Now this is a page that has this image, right? So to change this image, just click on the pencil icon, click on the image, then you navigate through to get the image that you want to use here. So I think I don't have any image, but let me show you where to get image. So you can go to freepix.com or pixabay.com. That is where you're going to get stunning images and free quality images, right? Let's go for free. Um, wow, I don't want to open with Google, but let's see. Let's go with this. Continue. It requires that we just need to sign up, but sign up is free, of course. So we now have access to, you know, freepix.com. So we'll just type in we'll tell it this kind of pictures that we want to download from freepix.com. So let's say I need a picture of a lady that is working on a system. Let's say a lady happily, or let's just say a lady working on a computer system. All right, so FreePix is going to generate that image. As you can see, this is the image. Let's take a look at which image we're going to pick here. So these are free copyright images that you can use this image as you want. So let's just take one. I'm looking for which one to pick. Okay, anyone that has this what's it called, this premium icon, it means you need to pay for it before you can use it. Okay, so we're going for the free ones. So let's pick this guy. So I'll just click download here. It will be downloaded to the download folder. As you can see, it's downloading. So it's done downloading. All I need to do is, let's go back to about. So I'll click on upload file. I'll get it from the download folder. So this is the image. I'll click on open. Wow, I think we cannot open this. Why? They said it exceed the maximum size. Okay, so let's do something. Let me save this. I'm going to save it on, let me save this on, I'm going to save it in that folder, Teratech. Okay, so let's see. Let me try to bring it, sorry, select file. Let's go to desktop, Teratech. I think this is the image. I don't think it will, yeah. So as you can see, we now have the image here. So I'll click on set, and of course it's going to replace that image. So here we can select this other image and add something unique. So let's see, which image can I pick here. um there is no image that I want to use here. Let's go back to this freepix.com. So let's see, let's just say a computer system. I just need a computer system, right? Hmm. Okay, I think, yes, I think I love this. So I'm going to save this. I'll save as, and I'll give it CCC. Then let's go to about, and I'm going to upload it to my media folder. Select it and click on open. Then here we'll click on select. We're going to click on select. You can see that image has been added. All right, so here we can put something like, this is you can put something like Terra Tech. Then under the secondary, we have good. Here we can just put about. Then here we just put us. So about us. Then this we can just delete by right clicking, and we'll click on delete. So here you can we now okay, we now that good planning means, wow, we know, I think it's supposed to be we know that good planning means good business. Yeah, something like this. Then let's get something from GPT. We can put something like this. Then we select, we'll go to about, click here and just paste this here. So this is how easy it is to edit. Here also you can edit. You can just type anything here and it's going to reflect. You can put something like why choose, sorry, here should be Terra Tech. Then on the secondary, we're going to have something like why choose us. Why choose us. We can remove this, then we are good to go. You can decide to change this image, just select it and you're good to go. So you can see that web design and development is very, very easy. All right, you're not going to write a single line of code. So here we have say hello to our team. You can put something like our team members, right? You can put something like instead of say hello to our team, you can just put meet our team, or you can just put our, yeah, you can put something like meet our team, as simple as that. So you can decide to put in your image or your photos by just clicking. When you click on this, you go to style. Sorry, when you click on this, we have content, we have image, we have social, right? We have content, we have image, we have social. So for the image, you if you want to edit the image, you just need to select the image. Then let's say we want to style the image. All right. So let's see, this is the image. Typography, maybe you want to increase the size of the image, you want to increase the line height, you want to do anything on the image, but I think this is cool for now. So let's go. So let's go back to content. Let's go to image. So if you want to change the image, you just need to click on this. Then you select the image that you want to replace with that one. Let's say this is the image you want to add up, or this image, you just click on select and that image is going to replace it with what was there, as you can see. So this is how easy it is to play around with this. Okay, so I'm going to click on publish. Okay, so now let's view our platform. If I refresh this now, you're going to see this is what we have. All right, you can decide to change this, instead of sign in, because your website doesn't have there's no need to sign in, right? So instead of sign in, you can put in, you just click on this pencil icon, you come to content, then instead of sign in, you can put in your phone number, something like plus, this is +2348070946210. All right, something like that. There's something like this. So I need to just click on publish. All right, so when we click on publish, you notice that it has changed. Now let's go to what do we have? Site footer is here, site header, of course, we've worked on that. Now let's take it back to full width. Okay, about, I think everything is cool. Now I just need to remove this. All right, so I'll hit enter. Okay, so if I refresh this now, you'll notice that the phone number we added is not appearing here, because the header we edited is not for the home page, it's for other pages. If I click on about, we should be able to see it. Can you see? This is the header that we edited. Okay, so now I want to add it up on my home page. Now how do you do that? It's very easy. Let's go out of this header. Now, under edit header and footer, I'm going to select header light current header because that is the header for the home page. Now we'll use Elementor. I'll edit with Elementor and I'll add the phone number on the header. So as you can see, the editing or customizing process is very easy. So we just need to click on this, and instead of sign in, I'm going to put in +23480909621. Okay, so I'll click on publish. So if we go back now to refresh our page, let me refresh. All right, so let's go back to home. Let's go back to home. As you can see, it has been updated. So this is how easy it is to play around with this. You can play around and customize the theme as you want. Okay. So guys, I think we've come to the end of this video. If you love it, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your loved ones. And yes, to get access to this team, I'm going to drop the link to the team. I'm going to drop the link to this Flux Pro team on the description of this video. All right, or you can directly chat me up if you actually want this team. But I'm going to drop the link in the video description for you to get access to it. Okay, so like I think I showed you, if you want to get it on Team Forest, I think the price is around $38 dollar. So let's check it again. You go to teamforest.net, then you search for the Flux Pro. You search for it, you're going to see it. Oh, it is even $39. So convert $39. $39 is a huge amount, of course, to some of us. So in order to get this team, at a very affordable and cheap rate, just get in touch with me and I'll send you, the team. All right, I'll tell you how to get it. All right. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for your time. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.